just building upon the last four conversations that we've had, are there any key takeaways that you'd like to share before we go on?
Absolutely. Just maybe refreshing our memories. The four videos focused on four areas that we've analyzed in various projects within the battery space, also applicable outside of the battery industry, um, that are common modes of failure. And the first being technical risk management. You got to iron out those really big risks that will cause the project to fail. And that requires test work, thought process, and a rigor at the end of the day to understand and appreciate that there is risk and to mitigate those risks. The second is planning. You have to plan what you do to have the foresight in terms of what you need to do today to be ready for the tasks that will come in 2, 3 months down the road. Otherwise, you'll get caught. And that'll cause disruptions to schedule and often lead to really big cost penalties on the project. The third is you have that plan, now execute it diligently and do the detailed engineering that you need to do to have an asset that has been comprehensively designed and therefore can be constructed appropriately so that you have something that when you push the start button, it technically works. But what we found is you also need a fourth piece, and that is to be ready for operation. We could design a plant perfectly, but if you're not ready for operation in the sense that you don't have operating systems available, ready to go to facilitate maintenance, and you don't have trained operators who understand when things are deviating to catch those things before it leads to a shutdown, then you may not have a facility that will actually produce revenues. So, in the end, you actually need to focus on all four of these elements together in order to have a successful project.